So today's video, we are talking about the Mazda CX5, and we need to change out this rear wiper. We've had this Mazda CX5 for about 4 or 5 years, and we've never changed out this rear wiper. So it's very easy to do. I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. As you can see, clouds look crazy. It finally stopped raining. It's been raining all morning. So we finally got a break in the rain to do this. So this is a 2017 Mazda CX5 Grand Touring Edition. And in 2017, they changed out the front wipers, the whole setup of how the front wipers go, but the rear stayed the same. So it's very simple. The one we have is a Bosch 14-inch. This is H352. It is a 14-inch rear wiper, and it's the whole wiper assembly, not just the blades. All right, so to take off our wiper, as you see, if you pull up, it stops there. It won't go any further than that. That's because this little plastic piece is here. So to remove this plastic piece, you come behind it with your finger, lift up. It just snaps in, snaps on. And it comes off that easy. So now you can release this whole thing all the way up. So now you take it, pull all the way back here, and you just lift backwards that way and pull out. So if you see the shape of it here, it curves in, it curves into that little piece there, and it curves right in. So once again, all right, so once again, pull back, grab it on the ends like this, pull back a little bit, and then you pull out. That simple. All right, this is our replacement blade. This is our replacement blade. This is our original blade. Turn around that way. All right, same size, both 14-inch. Same construction on the inside, that little piece on the inside, same thing. So to install our new piece, same thing. Take it in, keep it, make sure it's perpendicular. Stick it in. All right, make sure it latches over that little piece there. Then you bend it back. There you go. That easy, that simple. Make sure you don't forget to put your plastic piece back on. It snaps back in. Here's a better view of the plastic piece. You have a little latch here on the inside. That latch needs to go right there in that little hole. Put the latch in. Make sure you squeeze the sides down. That's it. Good to go. All right, there you have it, y'all. It's really that easy to change the rear wiper on the Mazda CX5. Like I said, they changed the front construction for the wipers in 2017, and they kept the rear the same. So if you need to change out the front, check out my video. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. I did do that one as well. It's a whole different construction, but it's easy once you get the right one. It's very easy. So thanks for watching another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. I'll leave a link for this one in the description as well. Until next time, see you.